Hi, in this video let me show you how to restart the screen, the infotainment display of your Nissan Altima, Sentra, Rogue and many other Nissan model. So what we need to do once, let's say it's frozen, maybe something is not working, you want to fix it. You're gonna find the volume button, volume wheel here, that is also the power button as you see. On some newer models, this button will be right in the middle here. So find it, and we need to keep it pressed during around 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, the display will go black and then there will be a logo appearing and it will restart. So let me demonstrate. I'm currently pressing on it and I will just stay like that. I won't release it until the screen is completely black. If your screen was already black, just wait 15 seconds. Okay, it's black. I'm still pressing a few more seconds until I see the Nissan logo. I can release the button and right now it's restarting. None of your presets and other settings will be deleted. This is just a reboot. Instead of turning on and off the car, by doing this you'll be able to restart it. And yeah, if it was frozen, maybe your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay wasn't working properly, well, fortunately after doing this you'll be able to fix it. As you see, the reboot only took around 50 seconds itself, so this is a quick thing you can try in case you're having issues. I hope this was useful. Leave a comment down below if it was. Leave a comment if you have other solutions on how to fix issues with this infotainment. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.